Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the Google Workspace admin console and log into your Google Workspace admin account. If you're ready to dive in, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. Whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you are comfortable with, make sure it's up and running. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Google Workspace homepage. You can either type the URL directly or simply search for Google Workspace. To quickly find the right page, this homepage is your gateway to all Google services, centralizing access to both personal and business tools. Now, let's move on to accessing the admin console. Typically, you will find the admin console link right on the homepage, usually at the top or within the menu options. Keep in mind that accessing the admin console is a privilege reserved for administrators in your organization, allowing them to manage user permissions, services, and various other settings specifically tailored for your workspace. When you're ready to log in, enter your business email address. It's crucial to use the email associated with your admin account, not just any Google account. Enter your information accurately, and once you've done so, click Next or Sign In to proceed. Make sure you have the correct credentials ready, as this is necessary to unlock the admin capabilities you'll need. Once you're inside, navigate to the Google Apps menu, located at the top right of the interface. It's represented by a grid or a set of dots and provides access to several Google applications and tools. By clicking on it, you gain access to all the applications linked to your account. For administrative tasks, this menu also offers a direct link to the Google ecosystem you'll need to manage your workspace effectively. From there, identify and click on the admin icon, which might be depicted as a gear or another recognizable symbol associated with settings and administration. Clicking on this icon takes you directly into the heart of the Google Workspace admin console. Here, you'll find a multitude of options to manage users, set up communication tools, control security settings, and much more. It's the main hub for ensuring your organization's Google tools are tailored precisely to your needs. And that's it. The straightforward steps to get you logged into your Google Workspace admin console. Accessing and managing your workspace doesn't have to be daunting when broken down into simple, actionable steps. Now, you're ready to navigate and configure your Google Workspace with confidence.